Hello, good morning, my dear students. Students, I know you are always eager and excited to listen stories. Do you all know that there are different types of stories? Some stories are very short. Short stories mostly focus on one particular incident with few characters. There are different types of short stories, and fable is one of them. Fable means a short story with a moral, often with animals or inanimate objects as characters. Fables are very popular for children as it teaches children lessons while keeping them interested with the animal characters. So, children, today we are going to study one of the fable, that is a short story. Students, open your textbook, page number 18, 1.6, The Peacock and the Crane. Students, you all are familiar with these two birds. Let me give some brief introduction of these two birds before explaining the lesson. The peacock is one of the most beautiful and colorful birds in the world. Peacock usually has blue color and its feathers have mixture of blue, green and golden colors. The male bird is called as peacock whereas female bird is called as peahen. The second bird in the story is the crane. Cranes are tall birds with long legs. They are usually brown, grey, or white in their color. They have a partly naked head and a more heavy bill. When they are flying, their long neck is stretched out in front and the legs trail out behind. So now let's begin the lesson. Before explanation, I will read the lesson. Students, keep your pencils ready to mark the difficult words. Page number 18, 1.6, The Peacock and the Crane. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So, when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Look at my feathers, he boasted. How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king. That's true, the crane answered. But I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. So, this story is about the two birds, that is, the peacock and the crane. And there is conversation between these two birds, where peacock is proudly describing about his beautiful and attractive feathers, and on the other hand he was rudely criticizing the crane about his colorless and dull feathers. So students, let's see what happens in this story. See the first paragraph. There was once a very conceited peacock who had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. Conceited means very proud and arrogant. Gorgeous means beautiful and attractive. So the lesson begins with a beautiful peacock who was very arrogant and proud because he had a gorgeous tail like no other bird. So when he met a crane one day, the peacock scoffed at the crane's colorless and dull feathers and immediately spread his own colorful tail for the crane to see and admire. Now, here scoffed. Scoffed at means laughed at rudely and scornfully. So one day, when the peacock met a crane, the peacock laughed with the intention of insulting the crane for his colorless and dull looking feathers and spread his own colorful tail in front of the crane so that the crane might feel bad about himself and his colorless feathers and would wish to have beautiful feathers like peacock. Look at my feathers, he boasted. Boasted means talk with excessive pride or speak proudly. How they shine in all the colors of the rainbow, while yours are so pale. I am dressed like a king. Pale means light colored or not bright. Now, here the peacock glorified himself and said, look at my feathers. They shine like colors of the rainbow. They are very shiny. While yours are so pale. He said that your feathers are so dull. Pale means dull or not bright. They are not at all shiny. They are not at all bright. And the peacock further said that I am dressed like a king. That he is dressed like a king. Why did he say that, children? Because of his colorful feathers. Now look, children, what happened next. That's true, the crane answered, but I can fly high above among the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth in all its glory, while you live down here just like any other cock. Fine feathers don't make fine birds. So the crane felt very bad. But he also replied quickly to the peacock that though I am colorless, but there is one thing which I have but you don't have, and that is I can fly high above the clouds and the stars, and I can see all the beauty of the earth, while you cannot fly high like me. You live down on the land just like a cock. So students, as you all know that cock cannot fly. So crane is comparing the peacock with the cock. So the moral of the story is fine feathers don't make fine birds. Means the beauty doesn't define a person. For example, a very beautiful person may be mean and rude, but somebody who has average may be very kind, humble, and generous. So it's the inner beauty of a person that matters the most. A person's outward appearance cannot always tell us how he or she is. So students, wearing good looking dress does not make a good person or cannot change the qualities of any person. So we should always keep in mind that only appearance does not make anyone good. A person should be known by the qualities he or she has. So students, I hope you have understood the story. Please read this lesson 2 times. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.